Trust me when I say I know pet odor. Whether you're training a puppy or your stressed out cats are stressing you out, the struggle and the smell is real. Fixing this problem is overwhelming and exhausting, so let's break it down. Here's what you need to know. First, what is the behavioral cause of the problem? Second, assess the damage done. And third, what treatment is safe to use, both for your carpet and your pets? Remember that knowledge is power. So first, call a behavioral vet. Stop searching on the internet, I know you are. Even though this problem is common, every case is different. So speak with an actual expert. Explain your situation and they will guide you to the cause of the behavior. Only then will the pattern of behavior actually start to change. Next, assess the damage done. If possible, peel back an area of your carpet that's affected and check the pad underneath. A thorough professional cleaning is almost always necessary to soak, drain, and clean both the pad and the carpet. If the spot is still left in the pad, it may seep back up into the carpet again. Third, use a safe and trusted product. A lot of products claim to be odor eliminating, but without the actual science behind it, they just mask odors and can even make things worse. One great product is Vet's Trust. It's formulated with pH-resistant strains of enzymes and bacteria. Because these strains of bacteria are actually alive, they reproduce to naturally digest odor sources completely. It contains no harmful chemicals, is non-toxic, biodegradable, and certified salmonella-free. Lastly, remember that these things happen. Having pets and a clean home is possible. It will take time, self-discipline, and effort to work through, but you got this. Up. Good boy. Good boy.